Hello everyone and welcome back to another tutorial where I'm going to show you how you can change the language on the Marvel Rivals game. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the Marvel Rivals game on your device, and once it is opened up, you will be taken into the home page. Now, in order to change your language within the game, just click on the gear icon at the top right corner and then click on Settings. Now, within the Settings page, underneath the Display tab, just scroll down and you will see the Game Language option. Just click on the drop-down menu on the currently selected language and you can see the various different languages that are available. Just choose whichever language you wish to change into and this will switch your language right away. After this, your game might restart and the language will be applied right away. You can go back to the same menu if you wish to change your language once again in the future. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to change the language within the Marvel Rivals game. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe for more useful tutorials. Thanks for watching and I'll see you again in the next one.